Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not joining game easy and quick. First, you have to make sure that Roblox got enough memory to launch, so just open Task Manager and click on memory to see application that is using your memory. And if there is something like Google Chrome that is taking a lot of your memory, just right click on it and end it, end task. And do the same with all the applications that you don't need here, and that's it. Now you have to make sure that this is no application taking memory from Roblox, and do the same with CPU, and that's it. Close all the applications that you know what they do, so you don't end tasks that Microsoft needs or your Windows needs to. And after that, just go back, click here, and now after that just go ahead and try to launch Roblox, and if that also doesn't fix it, right click on Roblox, try something like run it as administrator, or just open properties, compatibility, and then click here, run this program, and select Windows 7. And if that also doesn't fix it, just make sure to do it like that, apply and OK, just to restore the changes, and then go back. And as I said, if that also doesn't fix the problem, now you have to reinstall Roblox. Go to apps and features, type Roblox, and then click uninstall. And after uninstalling Roblox here, go to command prompt, and then type cd app data slash local, and then type just copy what I'm typing here, and after that click enter and then type Y and click enter, and then Roblox will be completely removed from your PC. So then all you have to do, just go to your browser, type Roblox, download Roblox app, and install it again. Your problem must be fixed after that, and that's it. See you in the next video.